Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan mena bag Sorkar keladap sia kesong Pisa bahinyo pukendai poin San Klur Tengka caga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Bad negene Pisa kumbakat we Klur Tengka kare kejing siau ke bagi dehok banyo bad ke Batam nderu pupra poin San Klur Tengka kare kejing siau lupa naga advance na ke bahak khajna jabis nambanuan. Ulang bagane kesong Pisa kade ke Balamang bad pelat sya ke escrow account ke Balamang bet tek tang ban siau ke tulop. Badleng bagane kesong Pisa ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council mentakan la hagaban pelatno ke tulop ke bakat arbana jenginong trei. Uli tu bag Sorkar jela ke terwaru ikene ke jing terwa ban ajing yarab ya ke Jante Hills bad ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bad kan Chong Hakini ke District Council ban Chimekarai bad ke Sorkar kan ampen bor setia yaki.
ADCs have not come out with the report to us yet, and we will work with the ADCs. I want to make it very clear, as I said, the decision is very, very simple and very clear that this is not an additional amount that we're giving to them. This is an amount that is going from their own share. We are adjusting in the future the advance that we're giving to them. So this is their money. This is from their share, which we're releasing in advance. And the only condition that we have put is that we want a principal secretary to be there to monitor this finance so that it is not misused or diverted for any other purpose but for salaries. And that's where the escrow account has been opened, which will be meant and dealt by the district council. Nobody is going to run this account except the district council and the officials there, and the principal secretary will have the opportunity to monitor it. Obviously, because we're giving an advance and we want to ensure that the money is utilized for the salary. And we have also stressed on the fact that reforms should take place, service rules should come into place, and revenue collection should go up. So we are hoping that when all of this falls into place, we will see some kind of a financial stability. And this offer and this discussion is on even with the Jente Hills and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. But as I said, we are not here to force anyone. We are here to work together and to support and to help them in any way possible. If the councils agree, it's only then will we find a way to work together and to move forward.